Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint Online 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will start working with slides and we will start creating our presentation. So I have already thought on what topic we will be creating presentation. We will be creating presentation on online education. So let's first rename our presentation to online education. Now my presentation is renamed. When you create your presentation, first you will find this window. So it says click here to add a title and click to add a subtitle. So my title would be online education, and I'm giving subtitle to learning anywhere, anytime. So it looks pretty good. So we are starting with online education presentation. Now let's see how you can format your fonts. So I am increasing font size of this heading to 54 or more. So it's pretty bold. Now let me give it a color. So I'm giving it a orange color. So now my title is with bold and orange color. Let's set color of this subtitle also. You can also set a color and its font size and other things using this small quick editing pop-up. So I'm selecting font of select font which you like or which is your favorite font. Mine is Lucida Sans Unicode. So I'm selecting it and I'm again selecting color which is blue. So now my first slide of this presentation is created. Now let's create another slide in which we will define various topics related to online education. So to create or add a new slide, go to your first slide. Because this is your first slide, it contains heading and subtitle. Now onwards your slides will contain actual presentation data. So it will have different format. So go to your first slide and press enter key on it. So my new slide is now created. Here you can specify your actual presentation data. So you can give a title to your slide. I am giving it benefits of online education. And here you can define your various points. You can enter various objects also by clicking onto these icons, but we will be seeing these options in further tutorials, so I am skipping it. Now let's enter one or two points. Before that, let's see some style related options, font style related options, like alignment of this line. If you want to set alignment of this text to left align, then you can go to this paragraph section and select left align. And if you want to set it to center, then you can use this center, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl+E. So it will set your text align of center. So I am just setting it to left align, and I am also setting color of this title to orange and setting it to bold. You can also increase and decrease font size by using these two shortcuts. So This big A will increase the size of font and this small A will decrease size of your font. You can make your font italic, underline by using these shortcuts, or you can also make a strike through. So this is font option related to text. Now let me add one point and let's finish this video lesson. So I am writing you can learn anywhere, anytime. So this is my first point. So this is about creating a Microsoft presentation and creating a new slide. We will be exploring more slide option in further tutorial, and we will learn a lot and we will have fun a lot. Thank you very much.